So we got the sign anyway. All right. No, we're not in Georgia. It's freezing cold there. There's a nice tree in the background. We're just rocking away. The holiday just started, so we're here at Roxbury, New Jersey, Cracker Barrel, and we're gonna. It's about almost 6:45 p.m. We're gonna have the roast turkey Thursday night special. Well, you know the pandemic is almost over because Cracker Barrel put the game back on the table. What do you think? What's your opinion of the game back on the table?
Maybe that was up before the Omicron.
Yeah, right. Alright, so that's the turkey dinner. Thursday night turkey special with turnip greens, sweet potatoes, and turkey, and bread and biscuit. Alright, so you put... If you leave 2, you're smart. If you leave 3, you're just plain dumb. Alright, so we got the Thursday night turkey special with turnip greens and sweet potatoes. And I don't know what this is. This is the stuffing, I guess, right? Here it's December 9th, 2021. Cracker Barrel, Roxbury, New Jersey. Stuffing's good.
Yeah.
Toy. That toy. This one. This one. And these toys here. I don't know what he likes. So how is your turkey?
It's good.
What about the turnip greens?
It's good. The sweet potato.
And the dressing, how do you like, what do you think of, what's your opinion of the dressing?
This there?
Yeah.
It's different.
Different, but it's pretty good, right? So I think, for me, I think that it seems pretty good. The dressing's pretty good. And then we even have cranberry sauce. Alright, so that's the Christmas tree, and what is it, $400, right?
No, that's $500.
That's $500. And this one is,
That's nice.
and this one is $400. We're not in Fort Pierce, Florida. If I was retired, I'd be going to Fort Pierce, Florida. But here I'm in New Jersey, freezing, sitting on a rocking chair, did my Christmas shopping. Ready to go.